In this program, you're not just learning artificial intelligence, you're building it. This is a complete 52-week journey designed to take you from foundational concepts all the way to production-ready AI systems. Hi, this is Vivian Aranja, founder and instructor at School of AI. Every single day is structured to help you move from understanding to execution. So by the end, you won't just know AI, you'll have built real systems, real projects, and a portfolio that actually stands out. In the first phase, you'll build a strong foundation across the core areas of artificial intelligence. You'll start by understanding what AI really is and how machine learning and deep learning fit into the bigger picture. Then you'll get hands-on with Python, learning how to work with data, clean it, and engineer features that actually matter. From there, you'll move into training models, understanding how they learn, how to evaluate them, and how to improve their performance. You'll explore both supervised and unsupervised learning techniques, giving you the ability to solve a wide range of real-world problems. You'll also dive into neural networks and deep learning fundamentals, and apply them in areas like computer vision and natural language processing. By the end of this stage, you'll have a solid technical foundation and the confidence to start building intelligent systems. Once the foundations are in place, you'll move into modern AI systems, the technologies that are driving innovation today. You'll work with large language models and understand how transformer architectures power systems like ChatGPT. You'll learn prompt engineering, which is a critical skill for controlling and guiding AI behavior. From there, you'll build retrieval-augmented generation systems, combining knowledge retrieval with generation to create context-aware AI applications. You'll also design AI agents, systems that can plan, reason, and take actions. This includes building multi-agent architectures, where different agents collaborate to solve complex problems. On top of that, you'll implement memory systems, so your AI can retain and use context over time, and explore multimodal AI, working across text, images, and even voice. This is where you move from using AI to actually engineering intelligent systems. In the final phase, the focus shifts to building and deploying real-world AI systems. You'll learn how to take your models and turn them into full applications, using APIs and frameworks like FastAPI. You'll understand how to deploy these systems and make them accessible in real environments. You'll also dive into MLOps, covering versioning, pipelines, monitoring, and observability so your systems are reliable and maintainable at scale. An important part of this stage is safety and governance. You'll implement guardrails, evaluation systems, and monitoring to ensure your AI behaves correctly and responsibly. You'll also explore scalable infrastructure and cloud-based architectures, preparing you to work in enterprise environments. Finally, everything comes together in a capstone project, where you design and build a complete production-ready AI system, from idea to deployment. By the end, you won't just understand AI, you'll be able to build, deploy, and scale it in the real world.